Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to watch local TV channels using your Roku device. It's a great way to catch up on your favorite shows and stay connected with local news and events. So let's dive right in. First, make sure your Roku device is connected to your TV and set up correctly. If you haven't done this yet, refer to the instruction manual or follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup process. Once everything is set up, you're ready to start watching local channels. Next, navigate to the Roku channel store on your Roku device. You can find this by scrolling through the menu options on your screen. Look for the Streaming Channels option and select it. Then, search for the channel you want to add. Many local channels have their own Roku apps, so you can simply search for the specific channel you're looking for. After you find the channel you want to add, select it and choose the option to install it on your Roku device. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Once the channel is successfully installed, you can open it from your Roku home screen. Now that you have the local channel installed on your Roku device, you can start watching live TV or catch up on shows you may have missed. Simply select the channel from your Roku home screen and start streaming. It's that easy. Watching local TV channels using Roku is a convenient way to stay informed and entertained without needing a cable subscription. Plus, you can access a variety of channels and content all in one place. So give it a try and enjoy the flexibility and convenience of Roku streaming. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.